We had Whiskey Grail come on to our Friday Night Live a week or so ago, and they offered to send us some grails ourselves, myself and a few others who were on the live. So I got this today in the mail, and I'm super excited. Information in here from the Whiskey Grail boys. Nice card comes with it, signed, says thanks Gil, appreciate that, and numbered. Oh guys, this is beautiful. Whiskey Grail, handmade, established 2020. I can't even begin to talk about what just a beautiful piece of work this is. The oak is phenomenal. The laser engraving is crisp and really well done. The charring on the inside of this grail is just beautiful, not flaking or anything. It's just a beautiful product. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it. And everybody give them a like and a follow and go check out their products.